Hello friends, welcome all of you to your Roxy Pro Wealth in today's wonderful and amazing video. Friends, today we are going to talk about such a plan which is completely decentralized, which is developed on blockchain technology smart chain which gives you huge income at huge profit in a completely safe manner. Friends, if we talk about the mission and vision of the company, it is to make people financially capable and build the community of the company. Let's move ahead friends and talk about the business plan. Here friends you can start your journey. In this you can join the basic club from $5. You can then upgrade the club to general club for $10. It's $15 at the elite club. Upgrades to the glamour club can be made for $20. Similarly friends, as you move forward you can upgrade to Platinum Club from $300. Enter your ID through BP20. And you can see the rest of the decentralized wallet details on the screen through which you can enter your ID. After joining, you become eligible to earn 3 types of income, in which the first income is referred income, club upgrade income and then community level income. Here friends, one special thing, whatever amount you invest, you get 100% return of it here through income. In this, first of all we will talk about referral income. If you have a basic club and you refer someone to join for $5, then you will get 40%. There is an income of $2 for referral and 40% of the income goes to your applicant and the remaining $1 is distributed among 20 applicants at the rate of 0.05%. In future, whenever you upgrade your club, 40% of it will go to your applicant, and you will get 40% as referral. Whatever you get is $4 and the remaining $2 will be distributed among 20 levels. Let's talk next about the Elite Club, which is for $15. In this also, the person who refers friends gets 40% and the third level applicant gets 40%. That means, friends, the total becomes $12 and the remaining $3 gets distributed among the 20 level team. Similarly friends, as you move forward you can earn Platinum Club income in this, as per 40%, the details of which are given to you on the screen. Come friends, let us understand this in detail. If you work on a 3x3 matrix and there are 3 people under you, you will earn $2 from each person and your total income will be $6. If those 3 people refer 3 more people, then the total team becomes of 9 members, in which you earn $4 from each person and the total income becomes $36. Similarly, friends, those 9 people refer 3 more people each and the total team becomes of 27 members, in which you earn $6 from each person and you get a total income of $162. Similarly friends, those 27 people further form teams of 3 members each, so the total team becomes of 81 members, so you earn $8 from each person and your total income becomes $648. Similarly friends, you can see the details of 20 level calculations on the screen, in which you can earn up to $2, $12, $57, $640, which is a big thing in itself. Similarly, friends, you can see it according to the matrix of 5x5. If you have a team of 5 members under you, then you earn $2 from each person and your total income becomes $10. Similarly, if those 5 people refer 5 more people, then your total team becomes of 25 members and you earn $4 from each person, and your total income becomes $100. Similarly, friends, if those 25 people refer 5 more people each, then your total team consists of 125 members, from which you earn $6 from each person and you earn a total of $750. Similarly, you can see it through 20 levels. How much income do you make and how much profit do you make? Similarly friends, you can further calculate according to the matrix of 10x10 and see how big an income you will get through 20 levels, which you cannot even imagine in your life, which you are going to get through this concept. If you do not upgrade any level, then your amount gets trashed, so you are given 72 hours time for this. If you don't upgrade your ID, then your amount gets trashed. Come on friends, let's go ahead and talk. Then friends, You can see about community level income here. You get 15 cents on the first level in a 3x3 matrix, which gives 15 cents on the 20 level. Look at the 5x5 matrix, which gives 25 cents on the 20 level, and look at the 10x10 matrix. So it is made at the rate of $0.5 in 20 levels. Similarly, you can see from 2 to 12 levels. How does the distribution take place? So friends, I have explained the entire plan to you in a good manner. If you have any doubt or any idea in your mind, then you can contact our top leader, information of which has been given to you in the description box. Friends, thanks to all of you for watching the video till the end.